Chess match, how to play. The object of the game is to gather points by making matches of 3 or more in a row. Pieces move as indicated by their chess symbol. For a refresher of how chess pieces move, check out this video. Click on a piece, then a valid destination to have the 2 pieces swap places. The game will automatically collect matches and score your points. Depending on which piece you move, you get more or less points per match. Pawns are worth 8, knights 7, bishops 6, kings 5, rooks 4, and queens 3. The top left indicates what piece is a bonus and worth more. The smaller piece next to it indicates what the next bonus will be. Each round, you only have a certain number of moves you are allowed to make in order to reach the point goal for the round. There is also a time limit for you to make those moves in. Additionally, chickens will be flying across the board. Make a capture while a chicken is above it to destroy the chicken and collect a chip. If you catch more than 1 chicken at a time, you will earn combo points, added to your score at the end of the game. If a chicken makes it across to the other side, you will take damage. If your health reaches 0, you lose the game. You can spend chips to gain powerful abilities to help you. Spend 1 chip to shuffle the board, 6 chips to slow time for a little bit, 9 chips to recover your health. Score the needed points within the time and move limit without losing all of your health to win.